Yo, we have 5 days to get to Innsbruck.
We're 800 miles away
And right now we're in Tunis.
and we got no plan at all.
Bienvenue à la Tunisie. Bienvenue, bienvenue. Merci.
C'est parti!
Can you see what I see? No. We have no time left.
We gotta talk to the cops.
C'est le téléphone.
Alright guys, we got it. Merci beaucoup! Bonne journée!
How we do it in Tunisia?
Merci beaucoup!
That was insane!
$20, yeah.
No, believe me, no.
Yeah, we gotta go. We're gonna miss our flight.
Oh,
Come on,
man,
let's go.
my friend.
I don't know, man. It's over there, it's over there. Let's
Alright, just made it to Bella, Italia.
We're in Sicilia. We're about to meet my friend Marco. Crazy Italian guy.
Oh, dai.
He's crazy. Vai Dio.
Dai, ci sono le onde, porca troia, andiamo.
Oh my god.
Come check it out, man.
Dude, one.
No.
Yeah, we need goggles. Let's hope for the best.
Yo, dude. My luggage didn't make it.
No, dude. Just like the Mr. Bean car.
Check out this thing.
Ugliest rental car ever and most expensive one, let me tell you that. So yesterday we couldn't skydive because of the weather.
So we drove all the way to the Dolomites and it's even worse.
But we got a plan. We got one last crazy mission to go. The mountain's just lighting up. It's been raining all day and now just like... Made it to Tracime. Visions are perfect. Clouds are insane. Check it out. Sick. 9 a.m. We gotta be in Innsbruck by 4 p.m. Really gotta go. One last thing.